Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Prop Hunt Mobile. First, launch the Call of Duty mobile app on your device. From the main screen, tap on Multiplayer to access game modes. Look for Prop Hunt within the featured section, as it's a seasonal mode. If it's not featured, you can always set up a private match with friends to enjoy the game. As a prop, your main goal is to hide and survive. Choose a small object that naturally fits the environment to avoid detection. Try to blend in with the color scheme and textures of your hiding spot. Remember, you have a prop skill that can create decoys to confuse hunters or a flashbang to blind them, giving you a chance to escape. When playing as a hunter, keen observation is crucial. Look for any objects that seem unusual or out of place in the environment. Listen carefully for the distinct whistle sound that props emit every 20 seconds, which helps pinpoint their general location. Remember, you only need to shoot one bullet at an object to check if it's a prop, so conserve your ammunition. To win as a prop, you must successfully hide and evade hunters until the round timer reaches 0. Hunters secure victory by finding and eliminating every hidden prop before time expires. Both roles benefit greatly from teamwork and strategic movement. Communicate with your team, adapt your tactics, and have fun in this exciting game of hide and seek.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.